Welcome to HushApp, your privacy app. HushApp helps you send and store any file in an easy and secure way. It works both on mobile and web, and today we're going to demonstrate the mobile version. So now we're on the dashboard. Here we have a quick way to share files, either by selecting them from your device or by taking a new picture. Notice at the bottom of the screen the different sections. We entered in the dashboard, which is the center section. And now I'm taking you to each of the other sections, starting with your Hush box on the very left. Your Hush box is where you can safely store all of your files, anything from photos, videos, presentations, words and text documents, etc. In the Contacts section, you can easily manage them and add new ones. Now that you have become familiar with the app, you're ready to make your first transfer. You can go to the dashboard and select the files to send. Then you can choose the contacts with whom you want to share them. At the same time, you can select the Save option if you want to store those files securely in your Hush box. You can also send to anyone new who is not yet a contact of yours, simply by typing their email address. If you want, you can even add a private note. This note can be read only by you and your recipient. If you're sending to other HushApp users, that's it, you're already done. Congratulations! If any of the recipients is not a HushApp user, you will choose a password, which only you will know, and you must communicate it to the recipient. HushApp never knows the password you choose and cannot read your files. You can then track the status of the transfer you just made, as well as your history of previous transfers in the Send tab of the Transfers section. You can also share files directly from your Hush box. Just click on the document options and choose Share. Select the contacts you want to share it with. That's it! Another file shared successfully. In the Transfers Received tab of the Transfers section, you can control transfers that your contact sent you. And if you like, you can download the files to your Hush box inbox. Note that these files are still protected and only you can see them. From there, you can manage them as you wish. Know that all files in your Hush box are protected and encrypted separately. No one else than you can see them. You may open them to view them, and as soon as you close them, the files, in this case a PowerPoint, will be protected again. So now let's check out the settings sections for advanced configuration. You can define transfers expiration time, how often do you want to be asked for your passphrase, among other options. For any other additional questions, please feel free to contact us through our email support@hushapp.io. That's it! Enjoy safe sending!